Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to force delete a file on Windows 10. Okay, let's go. If you want to delete or force delete a file on Windows 10, simply you should to do some steps in command prompt, cmd command prompt. So let's say we want to delete the Word file ABC. As you can see, I want to force delete this file. Okay guys, to force delete this file, go to search bar on your Windows 10, type cmd, here right click, run as administrator. Okay, here guys, right click in your file, click properties as you can see, and copy the location address. Okay, copy. Okay, here guys, type del/f, that's mean force. Okay, now right click and paste the address for this file. Also backslash, type the name of this file abc with his extension .doc. Okay, you can get the extension for this file on here by click properties in this file. The extension is here as you can see. Okay, when you finish, click OK. That's it guys, as you can see the file has been deleted. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.